Do you want to save some money when you're purchasing flights? You want to know some of the tricks? Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Travel Tip Wednesdays. I am your host, Steven. So we are going to talk about how to find good deals when booking for a flight. Here are some of the tricks. Tip number 1, do some research. Just doing a little bit of research, searching for days, dates, you could actually find some good deals. Two of my favorite websites to search for good deals is actually kayak.com and Google Flights. With those two websites, you could actually find some good deals by inputting some destination where you're going to travel and also which dates. It actually, like on Google Flights, you could actually see some dates, some numbers here and there, which are your best option. Same thing with Kayak. Also, when you're actually searching for a flight online, try to clear your browser or do it incognito mode, because the website where you're actually trying to search for flights, they actually could track your IP address, track where you're trying to go, and chances are if you search again in another day, prices are going to go up. So try to search for flights online in incognito mode or clear your browser. Tip number 2, try to book off-season or shoulder season. Booking on off-season is pretty much flying on the low seasons. For example, here in the United States, the low season is actually September, October, and the beginning of November during the fall, and also in the spring, except for spring break, March, April, May, depending which dates that Holy Week falls. Pretty much anywhere around that week of Holy Week here in the United States, it's actually a good time to travel. Best day to travel during the week is actually on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Saturday. Normally those 3 days people don't fly that much. When people go on vacation, they like to leave on Friday nights and come back from their vacation on Sundays. So Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Saturday, those are the best day to travel. Tip number 4, book your flight early, but not too early. Normally when you're flying domestically, try to book a flight around 45 to 90 days in advance. Normally you get good prices. But if you're actually traveling internationally, try to book up to 160 days. If you travel too advanced, chances are the flights are gonna be too expensive, but there's always a day that you're gonna find a sweet spot. Normally, if you book on a flight on a Tuesday, flights are actually cheaper as well. Tip number 5, travel to an alternate airport. If one of your destination has an alternative airport, try to see if that's actually a convenient for you. You may find a cheaper price flying to that alternative airport. Like for example, I'm from the New York City area. There's a couple of alternate airports besides JFK and LaGuardia. There's Newark Airport in Jersey. There's White Plains Airport back in Westchester County, just north of New York City. And there is another airport, but this airport is very far from the city. It's actually Stewart Airport. If you actually search for flights into those alternative airports, if you don't mind distance or paying something for transportation, try searching for alternate airports because it will be a lot cheaper than going direct into the city. And this is an extra. Did you know you could actually save money when you actually book a flight with Spirit Airlines at the airport? Yes. Normally, Spirit will charge a fee about $20 per way if you actually book online or through their telephone reservation. If you actually go into the airport to their ticketing booth, chances are you're gonna save yourself $20 for a usage fees that they actually charge for using their system in their website or on the telephone. So you wanna save extra $20 per each way with Spirit Airlines? You just go to the airport and purchase a ticket there. Thank you for watching Travel Tip Wednesday. If there's any tips that I missed on searching for good deals on flights, you can comment down below. Once again, I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, safe travels.